We have Chief Meteorologist Brian Hale joining us once again. We're talking all about the valley staples, the warm and breezy, and we know it's spring.
But what we need is to throw a little rain into the mix.
Yeah.
We've got it all. We've got the warm and breezy staple, and then we've got the rainy coming on into the forecast. So that makes me happy. 73 degrees overnight tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Southeast wind 15 to 20, gusting to 30 miles an hour. Yeah, we're keeping the overnight breezes again, enough upper level support to keep that breeze going across the valley. It's not too bad though, just gusty. 74 to 76 when you head out the door tomorrow morning. Plan on it being a hot, humid day with plenty of clouds and some thin sunshine as kind of a mix for the day. And that gets those temperatures right on up there into the low to mid 90s for tomorrow, certainly above normal. And that south wind is going to be cranking up for tomorrow afternoon or even midday, anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting to 40 miles an hour. So if your trash can is down, it'll be down the road. There it goes. So that's a way to, information is power. At least you'll know that your trash can is in a safe place, your neighbors. All right, weather where you live. How about you live at Rancho Viejo? 90 by noon, southeast wind 20 to 30, gusting to 40, blowing throughout the midday and afternoon, and 92 by 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The next weather maker, this is it. This is the big shift from the staple of warm and breezy to the opportunity, the luxury of widespread rain for the valley for several days. All right, that starts on Wednesday and lasts through Saturday. So we've got a cold front moving through on Wednesday, and then the thing stalls out right in our neighborhood. So that will act as a trigger for rain and thunderstorms, here and there. It'll just continue to irritate the atmosphere and generate the possibility of rain. And it'll do so for about 4 days. And we could see pockets of heavy rain in there, as well as some isolated strong thunderstorms. Worth noting. And of course, anytime you've got the heavy rain or thunderstorm activity, you have the potential for street flooding. Let's take it all in with Futurecast, showing that we go into Wednesday with that frontal boundary making its way our way and generating the chance for rain and thunderstorms starting out west in the morning, but throughout the afternoon on Wednesday. And then the front stalls out. You saw that blue line with the triangles on it. That's the cold front. Now you see it as alternating red and blue. That's a stationary front. That means it sort of hangs around. And indeed it will. That's Thursday afternoon, 3 o'clock. And see, it hangs around and generates the chance for rain and rumbles. And that's going to be the case again on Friday. A pretty good chance, after all, through both days. And then running on into Saturday, it'll start to wane just a bit. Now, how much rain could we see out of this thing between Wednesday, through Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, if I can get my sequence right. Looking at anywhere from 1 to 2 inches, maybe 3/4 of an inch out west. Again, that's true for along the coast as well. For all those days, that doesn't seem like a whole lot, but hold on. We'll have isolated heavier amounts. So you got that slow moving cell, and any given day could drop 2 to 4 inches. Lickety split. And of course, the severe threat, not expecting to see an outbreak of severe weather with this for us. I know a lot of folks are thinking, oh, this isn't going to be like the Arkansas thing that recently happened. No, it's not. We're talking about severe weather threat being just the general thunderstorm category for us. You go up north, then there's a threat, which includes Little Rock. But again, that'll be day after day for those folks. But for us, it's day after day of just the chance for rain. 40 to 80% opportunity. This is good stuff into Thursday and Friday and even into Saturday. We can soak it up. I know we can. We put our minds to it. All right, the 7-day forecast shows you that opportunity with that stubborn front hanging around, lasting well into the weekend. Temperatures take a little bit of a dive there. That's nice. Mid-70s to upper 70s. It's all good there. And then you've got your forecast for Easter. And that's going to be a pretty decent day, albeit mostly cloudy. We'll be in the upper 70s by afternoon. You start the morning out with Easter egg hunts around 66 degrees.